Actually, see, don't worry. Even if I'm scolding also. Okay? I know that all of you people are good people. Because now these fellows, these are devils. They will screw up and people are not able to understand this. That's the way they will put people in the overall stage and will do. This is the same way they have Kerala also spoiled and trapped my sister and brother. They are also straight people. They are not knowing about the frauds, this kind of criminal place and all in the IIT, research field in IITs and all these all things. So that's their lack of awareness. These fellows misused and projected to them that I have problem to trap them. That's the same way you people are. So also you should understand that you are under the I'm feeling so low range. You are under the complete proximity of them. Actually, see, when I told that you will be easily blindly believe that's the reason these fellows have made her to continuously message you and 24/7 they trained her to keep you under her control. That's why you got you when you know I am always scolding you and she is pouring you with overwhelming respect to offer support everything, and this is the way they trained her. She is a trained spy. So that's what keeping you in the overall stage. And on the back they are continuously blocking me. See, just think that when I came to airport even to discuss their plans. See how the way these fellows are under security, these fellows are blocked, hijacked, your entire security is under their control. The same way this Delhi police, all the CSF, CRPF, everybody. Because I went to meet their DGs, everybody. I know that what are the level these fellows are hijacking everywhere. Okay. So don't go alone anywhere. Very much risky. These fellows got so fierce because they systematically from 10 years they have devastated you. So again you came out with the popularity, that they cannot digest. So they will empower, offer, support everything. They will act in the front. On the back they are what like them. There is a thing na, the snake. That one lady there is a story now. One lady was her pet was a snake, and every night she used to hug that snake only. She used to sleep, but actually what that snake was doing, hugging her to measure her size, so that to make his body adjust to that to swallow her. That's the thing. So these are the like their cunning criminal devils with the sugar coated words and the overwhelming price offer suppose oil pitch. So they will keep you in the overall stage. That girl also culture, I could understand, sense her from her face itself, the way she is laughing, that's the thing. Then it will be a disaster for the humanity. Okay, so that's the reason I'm telling. Just come out from that you will not be able to, because that's the way once we are into the loop. This is the way my sister or brother, they are not able to come out from that loop. That's the same way everybody. That's the thing. That's the knack. That Maya chakra, that is have effect. I told you that black magic one, this and all now. That have the tantric vidya, that's that geometry, these and all not, they are scientifically applying. So that have effect. You will not be able to. That's the reason we were from August onwards. How many times we tried to meet most of the from November onwards, every day I was coming and sitting there, right? Still we were not able to talk and all, right? So that's the thing, that's the effect. How many times people waited, I was not able to come. And so please understand that these limited mindset fellows with their ego attitude, they will not understand. And also, so that's the thing. What you are seeing, that overall this whole thing, that are Maya chakra, you come out from that. Okay, reality will be harsh. So don't worry, and I am not like a scolding girl or anything. And you are the Shiva, na, Arthadharishwar. So, but when you are getting indicated, distracted, like what? That's the reason I'm getting frustrated. Okay, because by thinking its consequences, that's the reason I'm getting my entire nerves getting activated. Okay, so don't worry. And I'm scolding it. I'm done. Okay. Oh, I'm getting so much of chest pain and all, because now I could feel this. What are things these fellows are doing in my laptop, everything, mobile, like that. The way that my entire body also is processing like everywhere. Oh, I want to cut down my entire hair because it's such a humidity, so much of humidity, burning. I started also like that. So, baby, Shakti. Okay, that is the only one ultimate truth in this. Remaining all are Maya chakra. So, what you, because of I told directly communicated. See, just understand that how these fellows are processing. These fellows are putting her, her numbers there, everything, and then arranging hotels, dragging tickets, everything under like on the back. What they are doing, they are not even letting that we should meet in some 10 kilometers proximity, even just blocking with all the securities, all the people everywhere, and the Tanjanbad and that ACC, all the securities, Delhi police, everybody is under their remote control. When they will see me some 10 kilometer far itself, they will come and lock the gates and this and it's affecting me, that you need to understand that. And then they made ensure that your entire staff's fronts, everybody is under their control through the that your personal email ID or nothing is with me, and mobile number also. This all Kerala leaders, that also they also didn't. Actually, these all fellows will keep this double will keep them under their control. That's the way. So they blocked all the things. Just notice how they have taken you to Kedarnath, and then all the processing. They made it systematically according to our horoscope dates, only based upon that our timing. They are systematically created. They will create the situations to make project that, oh, this is something overwhelming, and all the respect, boring, everything, consideration, everything. So just understand always, this same devils only spoiled you, devastated you for the past 10 years. So that's the only thing you need to always remember. Don't get overwhelmed. Okay, so this with kind of short-cutted words and with all treatment and respect, pouring, caring only to keep you as a sex life completely. So then they can continuously control you through her. That's the way. That's the same way Abhishek also went into the stage, and that then using her, he is screwing up him against me to act. That's the way. This is the thing. So that in turn will affect the nation. So leave everything. Everything is in the proper. Don't worry. Okay, you come back soon. Don't feel shame and all that others will figure. This is what these fellow only will screw up them to create fun of you and keep you an ego complex and inferiority complex. This is the same way. See, from how many months, whenever I will come, these fellows will project, oh, I am 24/7 there only, and I am chasing you. You should think that what you are thinking, that I am not coming and I am not caring and I am not respecting you. I am not respecting your emotions, values. These fellows only screwing up, right? This is what their strategy. So don't get anything, only the ultimate truth, Shivashakti. Remaining all are Maya. Also, don't get the comfort zone of that enjoyment that you can chuck. That is not the way. You see that energy, that and all have impact. Fool, you will not be able to come out from that trap and all. You need to understand its impact. You daily do Surya Namaskar all around in the open air. Your all stress, everything will release. It is soon our problems, everything will get solved. Okay, don't get into the comfort zone of these leaders. None of them are not there. The who are all done frauds, and they wanted to save their image and all. That's the thing. Also, see, we don't need to enroll the Siddharamaya and all, don't need to continue that Shivakumar and all. They have lots of frauds. They have enough money they grabbed. Let them be out of the things. We get to revamp the entire system, entire Congress. Don't worry, we can do that. Everything, all the plans are there. So don't worry. You can do it in the right way. So don't get overwhelmed in the comfort zones. Also, always see, also the meetings. You people should inform me one day before the date, time. Because see, this my mobiles, everything is under their control. When this you people are all are under their control. All of your mobiles are under their control. This is not Pegasus or anything. You need to understand that. That is they are hijacking the operating system. They are controlling through that. So anything, even if it is switched off mode, everything will record and go to them. That's the way. You need to understand that. So what are the things you people are discussing? Plans, everything they are getting live. According to that, they are they will put their tantric control. They will put it to block me. That you need to understand that. These are not the so please blindly believe. Okay. I know that everybody have experience. Everybody that people have your own understanding, intelligence, everything. But the thing that this is a psychic double lobby that you people are not familiar with. You cannot. That's the only thing. Okay, so just understand the way all the world leading process, everybody is supporting me, all the authorities, because now they are knowing the thing, because they are knowing this double. How, see, nobody likes him. Wherever he is going, everybody is fed up with it. But on the other hand, wherever I am going, everybody likes me because of my personal qualities, character, and the way I am keeping the truthful, dedicated activities. And then that's why everybody will respect my values, what I am telling, because now they know that my understanding, maturity. Okay, that's the thing. I will never do anything out of selfishness. Always remember, then I don't need to, I have to get at least minimum 5 lakh rupees per month as salary, that kind of me only, I don't have any salary from June 2018 onwards, okay. I'm not even eating properly, everything. My mother also so, and actually see my brother also innocent people only, because these fellows are not see, because see, why I'm telling about this Moolam Sharna, they are vulnerable to traps. That's the way their characteristics. So that's easily they can trap them. That's what these fellows way also, then after understanding the vulnerabilities, weakness of the people, they will utilize that to trap them. That's the way. So everybody, the same way my father, he was also not able to come out from the trap in that world, and he cried and here, so that trap swallowed him. That's it. So I don't want you to happen that like that, okay. That's why I'm getting this much angry. Okay, everything is, don't worry baby, we have some, I know that all your wishes, dreams, everything. Actually, one thing you need to understand, these kacharas are reading all the messages, and based upon that, it will train her to keep you in the oral stage. And these are infatuations, okay, delusions. So come out, you should not be in that trap. You do fasting on every Monday. I cannot do now, I got fed up because I was not eating. From August onwards, for every Monday, Tuesday I was doing the fasting for Shiv Shakti. Now you do. That will clear out all the, you take fruits, everything, okay. All the impurities, everything, detoxification, everything will happen. And mind that whatever thing I'm doing, these fellows are daily adding impurities to me. So don't worry. All the leaders and all, please understand, yeah. I'm not feeling to eat anything. I'm feeling also low energy, also so many things. Actually, it's magnesium deficiency also might be there. Also, I'm not taking anything. No, on top of that, these fellows are eating my entire body. Okay, baby, come back. Shiv Shakti. Remaining all are Maya chakras. Okay, don't worry. Come back soon.